It's interesting right now because, in this current situation that we're in a pandemic, right? And we have all these things called PPP, Paycheck Protection Program. We have EIDL, these loans. Record keeping now has become an absolute necessity and a dire one. And I'll tell you why. In the past, the IRS has kind of gotten a little bit lax when it comes to record keeping. Meaning, for example, let's say I have a credit card, right? And I use that to buy gas. Well, the credit card statement's going to say, you bought gas, and the IRS is going to say, yeah, you bought gas. It's pretty obvious. But wait a minute. Now you have something called the EIDL loan. Let's say it's you got one of the $150,000 loans from SBA, right? Well, see, SBA is not IRS. SBA has its own set of rules. Now SBA says this, they want a receipt for every single expense that you're going to pay with that loan. And they have the full right to ask for that. So all of a sudden, we're going from a little bit of a lax situation to a much more, I would call, old-time situation, which is we wanted receipts for everything. So keeping track of your receipts now, especially in this time that we're in, is extremely important. How long do you keep your records? For purpose of the IRS, they want them for at least 7 years. Now, in our case, as enrolled agents, we're actually required not only to keep a copy of your tax return, but to keep a copy of all the records that you provided us in order to do your tax returns for 7 years. So I would stick with those 7 years.